We've got a Ducati over here, which it started life as a 750 GT, which is sort of a touring version, but it's been modified to look like an SS, but it's got Desmo heads, it's got the right carbies, Imola pipes, big tank, and that again was another restoration that we did. It wasn't a total rebuild, it was a freshen up because it was pretty good. We painted it because the glass was just in gel coat. Bevel drive Ducatis are really, really hard to find. So 30 grand on that, and I think that's on the money. The crank's fine, the whole bike's, yeah, a nice piece of work. Gorgeous thing. It's a showstopper every time you ride it. Somebody wants to talk about it. This, my friends, is a Z900 A4. What that means, that's the last of the Z900s. This is an Australian plated bike, which means it was sold here in Australia. It's not been restored. It's still got the original exhaust system on it, which is most unusual. So everybody wanted one. And the first thing I did was paint it black, take the exhaust off and put a 4-into-1 on it. That's why this bike is really remarkable. It's a survivor in the true sense of the word. So it's done 38,000 Ks. Market value, 30 grand. That's up there, but it's as good as one as you'll find. It's an unrestored original motorcycle, and they're very difficult to find. I've got the original mirrors upstairs for them, and they're made of unobtainium, so we've got those out so they don't get damaged, because they're just like, what? You've got original, they're not aftermarket, they're the real deal. Owner's manual, tools, everything. It's everything it came with. Original sales brochures, all that sort of stuff. I mean, little things like, on some of the nuts and bolts, they've still got little bits of the yellow paint from where the factory painted them, just to check to make sure they were all tight. So you know that it hasn't been apart. It's pretty rare to see that.